So our next question from mass transfer gate 2021 for 2 marks. As shown in figure below, air flows in parallel to a freshly painted solid surface of width 10 meter along the z direction. See here, air is flowing in the z direction and 10 meter is the width of the plate. That will be the perpendicular to the direction of perpendicular to this screen, right? That will be 10-meter height, 10-meter width. At equilibrium, vapor concentration of volatile component A in the paint at the air paint interface is CAI. The concentration Ca decreases linearly from this value to 0 along y direction over the distance del of 0.1 meter in the air phase. Over this distance, the average velocity of the air stream is 0.033 meter per second, and its velocity profile is given by Vz is equal to 10 y square. You can see here we have given the linear profile of this concentration. You can see here, if we have a painted surface, like if you go near the surface of that painted surface, you will feel the smell of that paint. If we go from here, if we go away from that surface, then you will not get that smell. So similarly, you can understand it as the concentration is maximum of this component at the surface of the paint wall, painted surface, right? And the concentration is minimum at distance of delta, and they have given the del as 0.1 meter. At 0.1 meter height, its concentration is 0 in air stream. So, and we have given the velocity profile. You know very well what is velocity profile. At the surface, it is 0 in case of no slip condition. Then Vz is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, then Vz will be 0. And you can see in the upward direction, velocity will increase continuously. So we have given Vz also, where y is in meter. Let Cm represents the flow average concentration. The ratio of Cm to Ci we need to calculate. Cm, what is Cm? Cm is the average concentration, and you know very well Ci is the maximum concentration Ci. So just we need to calculate average velocity to maximum velocity ratio, rounded off to 2 decimal places. So you can see here from given profile Ci comma 0 to 0 comma delta, it is the concentration profile. So you can see here it is the maximum concentration Ci, and it decreases to 0, and height will start from 0 to delta. So from linear equation we know that if we have given 2 points, then we can calculate the line of equation of the line y minus y2 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x2. From here you can put the values. Y minus delta, we know what is y2. Y2 is this, del minus y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, and x2 minus x1, and x minus 0, right? X minus x2 is this, it is x2 y2, or it is x1 y1. So from this you will get this type of equation: y minus delta is equal to minus delta upon Ci to x. Next, you can see here y upon delta, since x represent here is as a Ca, right? So I will put it as Ca. Ca is variable. You can see here Ca is the variable, and y is also variable. Y upon delta minus 1 is equal to 1 upon Ci minus here and Ca, right? So next is we will get Ci, we will get the concentration profile as Ci into 1 minus y upon delta is equal to Ca. You can check whether it is right or wrong. If y is equal to 0, then 0 upon delta is 0, 1 minus 0 is 0, so Ca will be Ci. right? If y is equal to delta, delta upon delta will be 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and if Cai into 0 is equal to Ca is equal to 0, so that means our concentration profile is right. So next, Ca is equal to Ci, we will get this. Next, mean concentration formula we can write it as, since see here, you can apply this type of formula anywhere whenever they ask to calculate mean velocity, average velocity, or whatever they want, right? So let's start. V is the average. Take in the left side everything is average. V average, W is the width, CAM is the average concentration, delta is the total height. Take total height here, right? So we can see here, if you see it is a meter per second, it will be meter per second, it will be meter, you know very well meter, since it is given almost 10 meter width, so our unit is meter square per second. Now delta is in meter, then it will be meter cube per second. Now you can see here cm will be mole per meter cube something, unit will be mole per meter cube, then you will get the answer in mole per second, the unit is mole per second from here. So we are integrating 0 to delta. Now we are integrating from 0 to delta. What we will put, instead of V average we will put here Vz, since we have given a profile. W is similar, W is not changing, W is same. Ca we will put here actual concentration, right, into dy. Now we will integrate from 0 to delta. W to W will be cancelled out, you can see here, and we will put instead of Ca we will put the Ca is equal to Ci into 1 minus y upon delta, which we have calculated earlier. Next, WW will be cancelled out, and we will put Vz also 10y square Ci to 1 minus y upon delta. And next, Vcm into delta is equal to 10 Ci 0 to delta y square 1 minus y upon delta into dy. Since it is a constant, we know very well. Next, we can multiply y square into here, y square minus y cube upon delta into dy. Next, Vcm into delta is equal to 10 Ci, we will get this answer. You can calculate it easily. If we integrate is y square will be y cube by 3 minus, if it is y to the power 4 upon 4 delta, if we put this delta, then it will be del cube by 3 minus del cube, del to the power 4 upon 4 del to del will be cancelled out, so you will get only del cube by 3 minus del cube by 4. If you solve it, it will give you del cube by 12. So del to del will be cancelled out, delta to delta will be cancelled out. So and we take Cm over here, Ci in the bottom, so we will get Cm upon Ci is equal to 10 del square upon 12 v bar. We have given average velocity, you know very well, 0.033, and we have delta 0.1 square. From this we get Cm upon Ci is equal to, we get this answer. It is a little bit long question, but don't worry, it was easy. If you practice this type of question, then you can solve this question in 3 minutes, and you 3 minutes